Hello everyone, welcome to the video tutorial of Document Management System. Agenda. Today, in this training video, we will learn about the document search options available in the DMS. The DMS provides several search options that helps users to locate document efficiently. We will discuss each option one by one, including show recursive document, search document by document number, search document by document name, document content or metadata like keyword and description if document is indexed, and advanced search. Objectives. Objective of this training is to understand following. What does the Show Recursive Document Search option include? How can a user search for a document in the DMS using document number? What options are available to search for documents using advanced search? What is the purpose of using these search options? How they help in DMS working? Prerequisites. To perform this activity, the user must have a tenant account and admin role with organization access. Additionally, the user also must have the access to the DMS form. Types of document search. These are the list of available document search options in the document management system. Show recursive document search. Search document by document number. Search document by document name, metadata, and document content if document is indexed. Advanced search. Show recursive document. The Show Recursive Document checkbox allows users to view all documents at once within a selected folder hierarchy. When a user selects a parent folder that contains multiple subfolders and documents, enabling this option displays all documents from the current selected folder as well as from all its subfolders in a single consolidated view. This eliminates the need to open each subfolder individually. This feature is especially convenient when users want to quickly review or locate documents stored across multiple levels of folders, as it provides a centralized view of all related files in one place. The Show Recursive Document checkbox is disabled at the DMS form header level and for system-created folders. To use this feature, the user must navigate inside a specific folder. Once inside a folder, the checkbox becomes enabled and can be selected to display documents recursively. Let us understand this in detail by navigating to the Onfinity system. Please log into system using tenant account and admin role with organization access. Once logged in, please open DMS web form from the menu. Select the HR Department Documents folder to view the uploaded documents within this folder. Initially, the folder displays 9 uploaded documents, indicating that a total of 9 documents are uploaded within the HR Department Documents folder. Next, the user enables the Recursive Documents checkbox in the header section of the DMS form. Once enabled, all documents from the parent folder and its subfolders become visible within the parent HR Department Documents folder. As you can see, the document count increases from 9 to 16, reflecting the inclusion of documents from the subfolders. This feature is particularly useful when users want to quickly review or locate documents stored across multiple folder levels, as it provides a centralized view of all related files in one place. For more details, please refer the Show Recursive Document Search video. The user now navigates to the header of the DMS form by clicking My DMS. At this level, the Recursive Document checkbox is disabled and cannot be enabled from the header, as well as for any system-created folder. To use this feature, the user must navigate into a specific folder. Moving to the PPT. Next search option is Search Document with Document Number. The Search Document Number feature allows users to locate documents by entering a document number. To search using a document number, the user must first enable the Document Number checkbox. Once this option is selected, allowing the user to enter the required document number in search field. After entering the document number, the system retrieves and displays the exact matching document, making it easy to find specific documents without navigating through folders. This search method is particularly useful when the document number is known, as it provides a quick, accurate, and efficient way to access documents within the DMS. Let us understand this in detail by navigating to the Onfinity system. Return to the Onfinity system. Open the DMS form from the menu if it is not already open. To search for a document by using a document number. First, the user enables the document number checkbox from the header section of the DMS form. Next, enter the document number in the search field. For example, I enter 1178 document number in the search field and press enter. The system successfully filters and displays the document matching the entered document number. The user can also search for multiple documents simultaneously using document numbers. For example, I enter 1178, Then add a comma and enter another document number such as 10172 and press enter. The system filters and displays both documents based on the entered document numbers. The user clicks the refresh button to reload the form, moving to the PPT. Next search option is search document by document name, document content, and metadata like keyword and description. The search field in the document management system enables users to locate documents quickly and efficiently. Users can enter the document name or any relevant keywords from the document's content into the search field. The system then scans and retrieves results that match the entered text. This allows documents to be found based on either their title or the information contained within them. The feature helps streamline document retrieval and improves overall productivity. It provides a simple and effective way to access files without manually browsing through folders. Please note that users can search by document content or document metadata like keyword and description only if the document has been indexed. Let us understand this in detail by navigating to the Onfinity system. Return to the Onfinity system. Open the DMS form from the menu if it is not already open. To search for a document by its name or content, enter the relevant text in the search field and press Enter. For example, if the user type invoices in the search field and press Enter, the system will filter and display all documents that contain the word invoice either in the document name or within the document content. In this example, a total of 4 documents are displayed based on the entered keyword invoices. However, only 2 of these documents contain the word invoice in their document names. The remaining 2 documents do not include the word in their titles, which indicates that the invoices term appears within the document content instead. Please note that users can search documents by their content and metadata only if the documents have been indexed. Otherwise, the search will return results based solely on the document names. Moving to the PPT. Next search option is Advanced Search. Advanced Search feature allows users to search for documents using multiple filters to obtain precise results. It helps users to narrow down searches based on document name and document content if document text is indexed. The users can filter documents by file type, such as PDF, DOC, or TXT. This feature also supports searching within a specific date range using date from and date to. Additional filters include created by and last updated. The users can also search documents by document category and input type. The doc from and doc to filters are applicable only to inbox and outbox folders. Advanced Search also allows filtering by general attributes and general attribute set instance. By combining these filters, users can find documents more efficiently. This feature improves efficiency and overall document management within the DMS. Let us understand this in detail by navigating to the Onfinity system. Return to the Onfinity system. Open the DMS form from the menu if it is not already open. The user clicks the Advanced Search icon from the header section of the DMS form. Upon clicking, the Advanced Search pop-up appears on the screen. These are the various options available in the DMS for searching documents. Let us discuss each one in detail. First, search text. The user can enter any text in search text field to search for documents based on their entered text. For example, I entered leave policy. Next, search criteria. The user can select the search criteria for finding the documents. By default, any of these words is selected, but the user can change this from the dropdown. Any of these words searches for documents containing the entered words in both the document name and document content. All of these words searches for documents containing the entered words in the document content only. Documents can be searched by content only if they have already been indexed. In title, searches for documents containing the entered text in the document name only. For now, I am selecting the default option, any of these words, and click OK to apply the filter. The system filters and displays the documents that match the entered search text. As you can see, the document name contains the search text leave policy. In the same way, the user can search for multiple documents by entering different text values. The user then clicks My DMS to reload the form. Next, the user clicks the Advanced Search icon again from the header section of the DMS form, which opens the Advanced Search pop-up on the user screen. Next, file type. The user can search for documents by selecting a specific file type. For example, to filter only doc files, the user enables the doc checkbox and clicks OK. The system then displays all documents of the selected file type. As you can see, only .doc documents are visible, indicating that there are 13 .doc documents available in the DMS. The user then clicks My DMS to reload the form. Next, the user clicks the advanced search icon again from the header section of the DMS form, which opens the advanced search pop-up on the user screen. Next, date from. The user can search for documents by entering a date from value. For example, if the user selects January 2026 as the date from and clicks OK, all documents uploaded after this date are filtered and displayed. As shown, 15 documents have been uploaded after January 2026 up to today's date. The user then clicks My DMS to reload the form. Next, the user clicks the advanced search icon again from the header section of the DMS form, which opens the advanced search pop-up on the user screen. Next, date to. The user can search for documents by entering a date to value. For example, if the user selects 31st December 2025 as the date to and clicks OK, all documents uploaded up to this date are filtered and displayed. As shown, 22 documents have been uploaded up to 31st December 2025. The user then clicks My DMS to reload the form. Next, the user clicks the advanced search icon again from the header section of the DMS form, which opens the advanced search pop-up on the user screen. If the user wants to filter documents within a specific date range, they can do so by entering the required values. For example, the user enters 10 January 2026 as the date from and 15 January 2026 as the date to, and then clicks OK, all the documents uploaded between these dates are filtered and displayed. As shown, 2 documents have been uploaded between 10 to 15 January 2026. The user then clicks My DMS to reload the form. Next, the user clicks the advanced search icon again from the header section of the DMS form, which opens the advanced search pop-up on the user screen. Next, created by. The user can search for documents by entering a username, and all documents created or uploaded by that user are filtered and displayed. For example, the user can either enter a username directly in the Created By field or clicks the info icon to view a list of users. The user selects the Jackson user from the list and clicks OK to confirm. The selected user then appears in the Created By field. When the user clicks OK, all documents created and uploaded by Jackson are displayed. As shown, 40 documents have been uploaded and created by Jackson. The user then clicks My DMS to reload the form. Next, the user clicks the advanced search icon again from the header section of the DMS form, which opens the advanced search pop-up on the user screen. Next, last updated. The user can filter documents based on their last updated date by selecting an option from the dropdown. For example, if the user selects the past month option and clicks OK, all documents updated in the DMS within the past month are filtered and displayed. As shown, 10 documents are filtered and displayed. The user then clicks My DMS to reload the form. Next, the user clicks the advanced search icon again from the header section of the DMS form, which opens the advanced search pop-up on the user screen. Next, document category. The user can filter documents based on a specific category. For example, the user selects a document category from the dropdown such as Employees Contracts. After selection, the user clicks OK, and all the documents uploaded with this category are filtered and displayed. As shown, only 2 documents has been uploaded under this category. To verify, the user clicks the document name to open its details. In the document details, the Employee Contracts category is visible, as shown. The user then clicks My DMS to reload the form. Next, the user clicks the advanced search icon again from the header section of the DMS form, which opens the advanced search pop-up on the user screen. Next, input type. The user can filter documents based on the input type, which indicates the source through which the document was entered in the DMS. The user selects an input type from the dropdown. For example, the user selects Scan Upload and then clicks OK. All documents uploaded to the DMS through the Scan app are filtered and displayed. As shown, only 1 document has been uploaded via the Scan app. To verify this, the user clicks the document name to open its details and navigates to the Activity tab. In the Activity Details, the input type shows that the document was uploaded via the Scan app. After reviewing, the user clicks My DMS to reload the form. Next, the user clicks the advanced search icon again from the header section of the DMS form, which opens the advanced search pop-up on the screen. Next, Doc From. This filter works only in the inbox and is used to filter documents received from a specific user. the user first clicks the cross icon to close the advanced search pop-up. The user then clicks the hamburger button to open the left section and selects the system-created inbox folder. All incoming documents are displayed here. Next, the user clicks the advanced search icon, which opens the advanced search pop-up on the screen. The user can either select a username using the info icon or type the username directly in the doc from field. For example, when the user enters Peter, corresponding suggestions appear. The user selects Peter and clicks OK. After this, the documents received from Peter are filtered and displayed. As shown, previously 2 documents were visible in the inbox, but now only 1 document received from Peter is displayed. The user then clicks My DMS to reload the form. Next, the user selects the Outbox System Created folder from the left section where all outgoing documents are displayed. The user then clicks the Advanced Search icon, which opens the Advanced Search pop-up on the screen. The user can either select a username using the info icon or type the username directly in the doc to field. For example, when the user enters Peter, corresponding suggestions appear. The user selects Peter and clicks OK. After this, the documents shared with the Peter user are filtered and displayed. As shown, 4 documents shared with Peter are filtered and displayed. The user then clicks the hamburger button again to close the left section and clicks the Advanced Search icon, which opens the Advanced Search pop-up on the screen. Next, Attribute Set. The user can filter documents based on a specific attribute. For example, the user selects an attribute from the drop-down, such as Document Details. After selection, the user clicks OK, and all the documents uploaded with this attribute are filtered and displayed. As shown, 3 documents have been uploaded under this attribute. To verify, the user clicks the document name to open its details. In the document details attribute set is visible, as shown. The user then clicks My DMS to reload the form. Next, the user clicks the Advanced Search icon again from the header section of the DMS form, which opens the Advanced Search pop-up on the user screen. Next, Attribute Set Instance. To use this filter, the user must first select an attribute. If the user clicks on the icon to select the attribute set instance directly without selecting an attribute, an information message appears on the user screen indicating that the attribute set is not defined. The user clicks the cross icon to close the message. To use the filter correctly, the user first selects a general attribute set from the dropdown. For example, the user selects Document Details. After this, the corresponding attribute set instance options become visible based on the selected attribute set. The user clicks the icon and selects a specific attribute instance. For example, the user selects User Guide from the dropdown and clicks OK to confirm. The selected User Guide attribute set instance now appears in the Attribute Set Instance field. The user clicks OK to apply the filter. As shown, 2 documents have been uploaded under this attribute and attribute set instance. To verify, the user clicks the document name to open its details. In the document details, both the document details attribute set and the user guide attribute set instance are visible, as shown. The user then clicks My DMS to reload the form. Next, the user clicks the Advanced Search icon again from the header section of the DMS form, which opens the Advanced Search pop-up on the user screen. Next, Recursive. This filter is disabled in the header of the DMS form. It is enabled when the user is inside any folder, allowing the display of all documents from the parent folder as well as its subfolders, as discussed earlier this search option. These are all the filters available in Advanced Search. The user can use these filters to narrow down their search and locate documents more easily in the DMS. The user then clicks the cross icon to close the Advanced Search pop-up. So, in this video, we have covered the different search options available in the DMS. Thank you!